Okay, so let's take a look at pub sub service in Google Cloud. So first thing, I suggest checking out your Google Cloud dashboard. So if you have created your trial account, you can click on dashboard link and it will take you to your console dashboard. Now the thing is, we need to find pub sub service. So we can either search from here or we can check it out from our menu here. So let's go to product and solutions, right? And then let me close this. It often comes out, right? So first thing, it's going to all products, right? And here we will scroll, and within analytics you will find pub sub. Click on that and you will come to this particular pub sub service page. Now before you do anything here, make sure that you have at least a free tier, and within free tier you can have this service as well, and you will be able to test all of the features that are here. Also make sure to have at least one project. In my case, as you can see, it's DevNami Edu, and under which I am doing the pub sub service option. You can always shift your project between one or two from select project option, click new project, or choose from existing one. You can also find the ID for that project, right? Like this you can pretty much start with pub sub, right? So basic, we have created our account, then we created project, set up billing, at least have your free trial ready, right? Now first thing is creating the topic for our pub sub service. So click on create topic, right? Here I will have to give it some name, so I will type in my topic, right? Then you will have to also go with some of the defaults, right? So add default subscription, use schema, or enable message attention, right? Click on create. Once we create the topic, we are good to go with subscription and any other changes that we do, like publishing to our subscription and so on. Notice that it is processing and it will take you to topic page. It takes a bit of time, so if you compare between Azure and GCP, you will find Azure a bit faster, and it's not something from our side. It does take a time from GCP end, right? On the right you can see permissions, labels, then storage policy, right? And then activity option. Also you will notice that your topic name will be something like projects, then your project ID, then again topics, and then my topic, which is the topic name that we have set. You will also find any activity that you do here listed, right? Now let's take a look at what we have underneath is export options for exporting the data to BigQuery table or cloud storage, right? Then at the bottom you can see the notification message. Currently we have subscription ID here. Then there is snapshot tab where you can see I can create a snapshot of current state of pub sub. Then there is metrics. Whenever you do send your published messages, that status will be listed here. Then comes details and messages, right? So we have all those parts listed here. Now next thing is checking out the top option where you can see import. If I want to import any pub sub subscription or storage text file, I can do so. I can also delete the topic from here or even edit its name, right? Then comes subscription here, right? And then you can see my subscription here, right? Currently I have my topic sub. So if I want to create a new one, I can click on create subscription, right? So for that, however, I will have to click on this link in the middle, create subscription, where I can put the subscription ID. So I will see something like my sub, right? Then there is also existing topic that we have. So we already have one topic here. I can select that. Then there is delivery type, which is pull, right? Then message retention duration, I can go with the default. Expiration period 31 days, okay. Then deadline 10 seconds. Filter, we will keep everything to default. Then exactly once delivery or message ordering or dead lettering, can enable disable that. Then comes the retry policy. So retry immediately and retry after exponential back off delay. These two options are there. So I will not be messing with that for now. I will just create the subscription. Now once we have our topic, we have our subscription, can publish the message to that topic, and then it will go to the subscription and will be available to those who are subscribed to that, right? So here within subscription we can explore as usual. Just like topic, we have permissions, label and current activity. It will show the current actions taken by me, and then comes our tabs, metric based on what is being sent. Then comes details, right? Then comes messages, right? Also you have option to create snapshots, which will be available from here as well, and schemas. There is also replay message option, purge message option, detach and delete option. Once we go through that, we can move to publish option. So go to topics and we will have to select our topic, which is my topic, and then let's go with messages option. So now let's click on messages. Now here you see, to test your subscription you will have to publish a message. So we'll click on that. Here number of messages 1. So let's say, hi, this is right. Now once we hit publish, what we can do is wait for it to send you a message. Now the next step would be selecting the subscription to pull message from, which is my sub, right? And then I will scroll here and I will click pull, and then you will find the message listed within that particular sub. Here you see publish time, message body and acknowledgement as well. So we pretty much got the published message. We also managed to pull the message, right? Now let's say you have created your topic, you have created your subscription. Can also take a look at snapshot, and we will also take a look at schema. Currently we don't have any snapshot, right? So we can click on it, create snapshot. Here you see snapshot captures the message acknowledgement state of subscription at given time. So we'll click that. Let's see my sub, then snapshot ID. Can check whether we have any restrictions like what to and not to include, and give that and then create, and then the snapshot will be listed here, and then its respective options will be available. There is also schema that we can check out. Right here, to create a schema, I can click on create schema, then schema ID, and then immediately definition will appear at the bottom. There is also type of schema, arrow or buffer. So you choose which one to pick and then create the schema accordingly, right? Now one more thing that I didn't cover is the light part, right? So I will try to create pub/sub light separately from our original pub/sub, right? One more thing is deletion of things that we don't need. So let's say I have topic, I need to delete it, right? This operation cannot be undone, so I will just delete it and let it go. Once the topic is deleted, I will also have to delete the subscriptions. Let's go to subscription and let's pick the subscription from the menu here like this. So one will be the my sub and my topic sub. So I will delete the both, right? It will ask you whether you really want to delete them. Simply click delete. It will take a bit of time, but it will be deleted, right? So we also managed to create topic subscription. We also managed to delete both of them. This way we are not going to be causing any charges or say accidental charges for this service, right? We have nothing else running right now, so we are pretty much done on that point. So we just looked at Google Cloud Platforms pub/sub service.